Hello everyone! Strawberries! Look at the strawberries. Wow! Strawberries, everyone who loves strawberries. Okay. Wow. Wow. Very. Wow. Strawberries. Yeah. We love strawberries. Yeah. Look at the strawberry farm. Oh my god. Oh no. Strawberries flowers. Flowers. Beautiful flowers. Okay. Wow. The strawberries. Look at the strawberries. Oh my strawberries. Wow. Who loves strawberries? Wow. Big strawberry. Ayan, everyone, every all. Strawberries kayo dyan. Japanese strawberries. Look, everyone, so big. Look at this. Yummy, yummy strawberries. Yes, guys, I am here now at the strawberry farm. Yes. Look at that. Wow, it's so big. Big strawberries. I love it. This is so nice. Look. Look, guys. Look at that. Look at that strawberries. Look. Okay. I love strawberries. Yes, very nice flowers. Strawberries flowers. Look, everyone. It looks delicious. Delicious strawberries. Yay. Wow. Amazing. Isn't it? Subarashi Ichigo. Wow. Double. The double strawberries. Yay. Wow. Very nice strawberries. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Plenty. Wow, it's so big. Giant strawberries. I will eat it. Very nice, guys. I love it. Yeah. Eat natin yung maliit. Yan, di ba? Nakakainganyong mag-strawberries. So, pag ganyang kalalaki. My gosh. Ayan, oh, ang ganda naman. Ayan pala yung flowers niya. Picture the flowers. Okay. Oh my god. There's a honeybee. Yay, honeybee. Don't bite me, okay? I will bite you, my gosh. Wow. Oh, escape. Nigimasho. Wow, here also very. Papa hachi ga aru. Wow. The strawberries. Look at that, guys. Strawberries kayo dyan. Yummy. Pwede bang tumikem? Ayan, oh, namumula pa lang siya. Ganyan pa siya from the beginning. Ayan, oh, diba? Ayan, oh. Parang ganito, oh. Before, after. Ayan. Ganyan siya guys. Flowers muna siya. Tapos magbububot siyang ganito. And then, yan, lalaki na siya hanggang magiging ganyan. And then ganyan. And then ganyan. At kakainin na ni Maya. O, diba guys? Grabe, ang lalaki. Nakita nyo to nung part 1 and 2. Hindi pa siya ganito kalalaki, diba? Oh, diba? Grabe. Oh my goodness, I love it. Wow. Manghihingi tayo mamaya, guys. Kala mo naman nahihingi. Titikim tayo, guys. 'Di ba? Parang nakakaengganyo. Nakakaengganyo mag-strawberries. 'Di ba pag ganyan makikita mo na 'yun, eh? Sa una lang siguro siya mahirap, pero pag nakikita mo ng ganyan, ako matutuwa na. Matutuwa na si Runa Chang. Mega love shout sa'yo. Runa Chang. At sino nga yung mahilig sa strawberries? Sino ba yung nagsabing she loves strawberries? Ayan, may Hachi, oh. Ayan, kumusta ka naman? Na-stuck siya dito sa sa net. Kawawang, honeybee. Siya ang dyan, kaya yun yung mga bulaklak niya. Nagtatransfer ng mga pollen para sa ano naman kaya ito. Check it out later. Masarap ng mga strawberries na ito. Naku po, ayan, ang lalaki, oh. Shoutout sa mahilig sa strawberries dyan, oh. Kagat na, libreng kagat sa strawberries, guys. Ayan, strawberries kayo dyan. Diba? Nakikita niyo mga strawberries. Ang dami, ang haba. Dun. Hindi ko na siya pupuntahan dun sa dulo kasi ganun din. Pare-pareho. Tingnan natin doon sa other side. Let's look at the other side. Ito sa other side. Ayan. Sa other side. Let's go here. Ayan. Mainit dito sa loob ng house. Ayan guys, so meron silang banner. Strawberry. Diba, titignan natin dito sa other side. Ayun, marami din dito. Oh, ayan. Kahit saan pa pumunta, marami. Dito hindi pa masyado. Oh, may puti pa siya. Tingnan natin dito sa kaduluduan. Ayan, marami din dito guys. Ang pupula. At talagang hindi siya nagpupula lahat, As in, i-harvest mo yung mapula. Tapos the next may pupula na naman. Ay, and it's so very big. Grabe. Kadako kaayo, oh. Kalami kaayo. It's so yummy, yummy, my gosh. I want to eat. Who loves strawberries? Shout out sa mahilig sa strawberries dyan. Ayan, at may Hachi, oh. Oh, hindi naman kaya ako kakakatin ito. Don't bite me, ha? Don't bite me or else I will bite you back. Ang laki, oh, my goodness. It's so big. It's so big. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's so yummy. Yummy, yummy strawberries. Oh, yes. Ang sarap nito. Strawberries kayo dyan. Ayan. Ayan lang, everyone. Strawberries kayo dyan. Oh, look at that. Yes, ang laki niya, oh. Look at that, guys. Yummy, yummy strawberries. Look at that. Plenty of strawberries. And that's all for now, guys. The strawberry farm. Wow, it's so yummy strawberries. Look at that. Bye for now. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.